Sorry, I lost my connection there. I'm going to pick this up as a part 2. Matt Schaub, Cam Newton, Chris Ivory, Greg Jennings, Demarius Thomas, E.J. Manuel, Brandon Marshall, and a touchdown tandems Flacco and Steve Smith. J.J. Watt, Ben Roethlisberger, Mark Ingram, Robert Griffin, Tony Romo, Dwayne Bowe, Josh McCown, and around numbers, Sefrin Jenkins and Jason Morrow. That goes to Buccaneers, team on the left. Next pack. Doug Martin, Adrian Peterson, Cordell Patterson, Sean Green, Matt Forte, Frank Gore, Matt Ryan, and there's a Peyton Manning. That is a MVP Contenders, serial numbered out of 99 for the Broncos. Nice pull there. Chad Henne, Nick Foles, Reggie Wayne, Ryan Matthews, Julius Thomas, C.J. Spiller, Giovanni Bernard, and a Sammy Watkins draft class. Next pack. Marquise Colson, Steve Smith, Maurice Jones-Drew, Aaron Rodgers, Tavon Austin, Tom Brady, Matthew Stafford, and Reuben Randall. Eric Decker, Julio Jones, Nate Washington, Andre Johnson, Mike Wallace, Trent Richardson, Malcolm Floyd, Vincent Jackson. Next pack. Andre Johnson, Marshawn Lynch, Jimmy Graham, Sam Bradford, Luke Kuechly, Calvin Johnson, Eli Manning, and at round numbers Sankey and Hill. Goes to the Titans, team on the left, Sankey. Next pack. Des Bryant, Phillip Rivers, Richard Sherman, Alfred Morris, Andy Dalton, Alshon Jeffrey, Geno Smith, and a Rookie of the Year, Derek Carr. Next pack. And the autograph for that one is of the Cardinals, Chandler Cannizzaro. Got a Cecil Shorts, LaShawn McCoy, DeMarco Murray, Antonio Brown, Monte Ball, AJ Green, and Greg Olsen. Next pack. Torrey Smith, Danny Amendola, Jordy Nelson, Ryan Tannehill, Andrew Luck, Carson Palmer, Ben Tate, and a tandems Blake Bortles and Marquise Lee, the Jags. 2 packs to go. And the jersey in this one is a Trey Mason of the Rams. That's the 3rd hit. We got Stephen Ridley, Eddie Lacy, Mercedes Lewis, Jeremy Maclin, Andre Ellington, Brian Hoyer, and Mike Williams. And the last pack for this box in the break. Russell Wilson, Drew Brees, Joe Flacco, Golden Tate, Victor Cruz, Brian Hartline, Alex Smith, and an MVP Contenders DeMarco Murray of the Cowboys. Let's review the 3 hits from the break. We had Trey Mason jersey, the Rams, Chandler Cannizzaro of the Cardinals, and Jeremy Hill, the Bengals. Alright, thanks everyone. I'll upload this in 2 pieces. I lost my connectivity, so I'll do a part 1 and part 2 and get those uploaded to YouTube and mailed out Monday morning. Thank you.